Welcome back to another video. This one is sponsored by Egretech, which they sent out to me this new power station of theirs, and I'm going to unbox it and go over some of the specs. Egretech, something like that. This specific model is called Sonic 600. Comes in some really nice packaging. This is kind of cool. It gives you some specs on the side. You can recharge your iPad 15 times, mobile phone 37.5 times, and a few other examples on the side of the box there. So its features, you can quickly charge it 1 hour up to 80% recharge, and it's a bi-directional inverter, lightweight design, and it's got an alloy shield for durability. Let's go ahead and open it. Thick instruction manual, 12-volt charging cable for charging it in your car. We've got the AC wall plug for charging it at home. Got some foam packaging, nice and tight in there. And voila, there it is. Make sure there's nothing under the packaging. Oh yeah, okay. No $20 bills. We're all good there. Check this out. Wow, that is slick. Man, every time I open a new power station, they're all just designed and they built so well. They just feel definitely have a superior construction. This one you can see is a rectangle. It's got very smooth curved corners. A nice sturdy handle on top. We'll point out it's fixed on there, so you can't take it off or fold it down flat. It's always up in the way if it is in your way, but it is always up so you can grab it. So we've got the main display and functions up front, and then we've got a light built into the rear of the unit. Press and hold the button to power on. We're showing 3 out of 5 bars. Let's see if we can't get this light to work. How about that? SOS, Super SOS. People tend to complain about these lights built into power stations, thinking that they're useless and kind of dorky. But hey, if you just lost power in your house and it's dark and you want some light, this will help give you a little more peace of mind, and it takes so little power while it's being used. Oh, how about that? You can set it upside down and have it shine like a light on your ceiling. So if we're looking at the front here, we've got our battery status. That is just the bar indicators. Out of 5 bars, we're showing 3 out of 5 right now. Then we've got a button for the DC side, which powers your Type-C USB ports and your Type-A. So you have 4 USBs in total. And it also will power the 12-volt output that you have here. So if you have a 12-volt fridge, perfect right here. You can run it right off of that. Then if we turn the AC side on, we've got a standard wall plug that you can run your devices off of. Whatever you plug in at home, you can plug into this up to 600 watts of power. And it will display on the screen how many watts are being consumed and how much time you have left at that current rate. And then here's where you can charge the unit via the wall, 110, or via the 12-volt DC side. You can also charge it from your car right here. Let's go over some of the specs. Once again, this is a 600-watt power station that it's capable of running power for, and it's got just shy of a 500 watt-hour battery. It's literally 499.5 watt hours of battery. Now the AC side can handle up to 400 watts of input, which creates that fast charging for this size of unit. On the DC side, it can handle up to 100 watts coming from your car or a solar panel. And the 12 volt output max is 10 amps, which is the equivalent of 120 watts. Yeah, everything else is pretty standard. What a cool unit. That's nice. And to turn it on or off, just press and hold that power button. One thing I do like about this system here is there's no power brick that you have to carry. It's all built into the unit. So all you need to charge it up is this power cord right here from home, or use the included cable to plug directly into your vehicle and charge it via DC, which is actually more efficient and better for the power station, but they're both good options. Oh, so we've got English, Dutch, version française, Japanese, Spanish, and Italian, I think. Check this out. They're displaying a sports car as the icon for charging the power station via DC. Here I've got a tiny little heater. It's rated for 950 watts. So this may not work, but I do want to at least give it a try. I know the fan will turn on, but the actual heater might not. Here's a little demonstration. Press and hold, turn it on. Turn the AC on. Plug in the heater. And it's showing 0 watts, which it should. And turn it on fan. And we can see we're only pulling 3 watts. Wow, hardly anything. If we press swing, then we double it to 6 watts. With only 3 out of 5 bars at 6 watts, we can run this fan for 43 hours. That kind of shocks me. I would have expected more output from the fan. In fact, let me grab my watt meter and measure it just to double check that is accurate. Plug in. Here is my watt meter here. Okay. So we're showing 0 watts. So we'll turn it on. Okay. My watt meter is showing 8.1 watts. Oh, and now it's showing 7 watts. 7.9, 6. Interesting. So slight difference in the reading. Now I'm curious if we just put it on low heat. Okay, I think that's low. So we're climbing up in the watts. 323, and the air is getting hotter. 380. Over here we're 412. So there's a difference in the reading. I'm not sure if it's a timing thing. Who knows? Once it gets up to its spec, we can check it out. This is pretty hot. So it's showing that we have 28 minutes left. This is always an interesting test just to see, how it works. We're not plugged into anything but this power station that's sitting on my desk, and we're able to produce heat. We're still showing about a 30 watt difference. Now again, this heater is rated at 950 watts, and this power station is rated at 600 watts. And the 950 might be on high mode, and I've got it on low, so hopefully that's under 600 watts. Yeah, that's hot. Okay, so it looks like we're staying steady at 526 watts, and over here it's showing 558 watts. So that's about 30 watts difference, which I don't know why. Okay, I'll add the swing in for it to rotate. Basically indifferent, only 2 or 3 watts maybe. Okay, now I'll turn the swing off and hit it up to high heat. I don't see any difference. 559 over here, 526. Well, that's very interesting. There's no difference in the power consumption between low and high mode with this heater apparently. Maybe something is faulty on the heater, but that's hot. Either that or there's a max on the power station that is preventing the heater to go beyond what it's asking to pull. And I just heard the fan click on the power station here. That's the first I've heard that come on. Oh, we are climbing. 596, 638 over here. There's 19 minutes left at that. Interesting. So, yeah, it's probably not gonna let the heater take more than the 600 watts. So I'll turn it back down to low, and you can see the watts quickly dropped. Gave us a couple extra minutes of runtime. And keep in mind, I haven't charged this power station at all. This is just how it came with the amount of power that it showed up with. And while you are running the AC side, you can turn the DC on as well. Very cool. I'll turn the heater off now, and it's still gonna push the fan out because it needs to cool the heating element down. That is really cool. How about that? So thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please, I would really appreciate it if you would just scroll down the video and click that like button. It would really greatly support my channel and help me produce more videos like this. And a big thanks to Egretech for reaching out to me and sending me the power station to review on this channel in the first place. For those interested, let's show them some love and check out some of their power stations. Not only do they have this model available, but they have a few other models available on their website. And again, on Amazon, I'll have some links down below in the description so you can go directly to the product site. This is another video from Scott's Solar Projects. Thanks for stopping by, and hopefully we'll catch you in the next one. I hope you have a wonderful day.